Hello everyone and welcome back to Sarah's Abstract Expressions. My name is Sarah. Today I'm going to show you how we pull silicone out of a canvas once you have it in it. I know that's a question that I get a lot, so I'm going to show you 3 different ways on how to do it, and then I'm also going to make another video where I show you like how I actually finish them and prep them for shipping and all that jazz, because I have one here that I'm actually planning on sending to a friend. So I will get you set up and we will get started. Okay, so this is the first one that I'm showing. This is a pour that I did a long while ago now. It'll be linked up here. And I'm going to show you how I get the silicone out of this. This is the way that I find that works best for me. And I like to use cornstarch. But cornstarch is just one of the different ways, one of the very many ways that you pull silicone out. So what I like to do is pull the silica pack out that happened to fall into it. And the nice thing about cornstarch is the fact that you can reuse it. So just get a good layer all over. Doesn't have to be heavy. Just enough to cover it. Ah! I'm throwing it everywhere. That's how it always be. So, I like to let this sit for, I don't know, it's dependent on how humid it is outside. Humid. Especially here. Believe it or not, in southern Ontario, it can get quite humid and hot and gross. So, I'm probably going to let this sit for about a day, but I will be back to show you some other methods, and I'm gonna pull the cat hairs out. Inevitable cat hairs. So I will be back with that, and we're back with 2 new paintings. These will also be linked here. This one I'm gonna use baby wipes on that I got at the dollar store. You see them down here? Yeah. And this one I'm just gonna use my microfiber cloth that has some soap on it to get the silicone off. You don't have to press hard. I find that this works very well. Though if you finish your paintings like I do, you don't really need to pull the silicone out, and I will show you that in an upcoming video. I do wait about a week between doing my paintings and actually trying to finish them like this, because otherwise it's just a nightmare. But yeah, you can see that. See, no paint really comes off on the rag, which is nice too, and that's the bonus of actually letting it cure. I'm also going to use baby wipes. Just gotta open them. I got these at my local dollar store because why not? I wasn't going to pay a bunch of money to get good ones. And I'm just using them to, apparently 2 came out, to just kind of clean them off. Clean off my canvases. It's not really fair to the mothers who actually need them for their babies. So, I know not many people buy them in the dollar store, so. Unless they absolutely have to. Very focused. Ta-da! So I'm going to leave this one that I just did as a control. It still has all the silicone in it. I haven't done anything to it. I'm even going to write a little C in pencil on the frame here so I can take it off after. And it's no longer needed. See? Ha ha ha. So I'll be back in a little bit with the cornstarch one after it's set for a little bit longer, and I can deal with that. So here we are, back a few days later because, well, I got busy to say the least. Is that a fly? Random fly, get out of here. Okay. I'm gonna get the cornstarch off of this. I do that to get a bulk of it off. And then I'll use just a paintbrush to knock the rest of it off.
And to spare you, I will speed this up.
Now that I've got the majority of the cornstarch off, I'm going to show you how I get the rest of it off so it's not all white and powdery. I just got to set this down and I'll be back. So I'm just using my soapy rag that I had the other day, still has some residual soap in it. That noise you are hearing is my puppy cat, Roman, deciding to help me in my endeavor, I suppose. He likes to attack this thing that Jeff made for me that holds up my paper. So, there is that. So this is what the cornstarch one looks like now that I've completely gotten everything off of it. As you can see, there's like nothing. No soap. Love this one. Here's the other one. Again, it came out just so perfect. Can't complain. And finally, wait, that last one? This one, I believe, was the baby wipe. My bad. This last one is the cornstarch one. And again, no silicone. So, if you haven't seen what happens when you add too much silicone, make sure you watch that video, and I will see you there.